Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are returning, hey girl, and if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today we are basically going to do the part 2 of the closure wig video that I did, the last one that I did. I'll tag it below so that if you didn't see that one, you'll be able to see that first. But this is part 2, which is the styling portion of this unit. So we created it and now it's time to make it actually look like something. So I had to go in and I did a dip color on the closure just to make it match the hair a little bit better, because the closure was more brown and the hair is like a natural black, closer to black. And so I just went in and I did a watercolor on it and I made it look, you know, like more to match the hair or whatever. So right now I'm just going to go in and I'm just looking at everything, checking everything, making sure I like how everything looks before I go in and make any permanent styles or before I begin styling. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to just go in and part the hair down the middle. And with our fingers, because we're not like officially making the style yet. And I'm just gonna go in with this bio silk. I'm gonna put it on my hands. I use like a pretty good amount of this. Bio silk is extremely thin, and you can use a lot, so don't worry about it. But I'm using this to pretty much protect the hair when I blow dry, and I honestly feel like it does pretty good with giving you like a silky feel to the hair after you've blow dried it, because sometimes hair can be a little dry after blow drying. So I'm just going through and distributing that throughout the hair. And then we're going to begin with detangling the hair with a wig brush. You can also use a wide tooth comb to do this, but I love blow drying with a wig brush. I feel like it just comes out better. It pretty much like straightens the hair almost with the blow dryer, so that you don't have to put any extra heat on there. And I actually got like a little bit of the got2b spray inside of the hair from when I did the dip color, so that's what you see me brushing out right now. But right after we brush it out, we are going to go in and we are going to part the hair right down the middle. Now the reason why we're parting the hair down the middle now is because when we do the blow drying, we pretty much want to mold the hair into the direction that we want it to go. That way when it comes to the actual styling and laying down the mousse and doing the hot comb, it pretty much just gives us like a clear view of how everything is supposed to look. So now I'm just going in with the Nairobi mousse, and I am going to mold down the front of the hair as well as the middle part, just so that way, like I said, everything is molded off in the direction that it's supposed to go. This also helps with flyaways as well, and it helps you pretty much just be able to see what it is that you're really working with as it pertains to the closure. And you want to pretty much like just imagine, if whether you're doing this wig for yourself or doing it for a client, you want to imagine it on a person's head. How is the hair supposed to look up against their face, up against their head? So you pretty much are just going to mold it in the direction that you would like for it to go. So now I'm going in and I'm just beginning the blow drying process, and I'm starting off with the top portion of the hair just to dry down that mousse a little bit better. It already pretty much like starts to dry on its own, as you can see. Literally like the next clip, it was already drying. So that's one of the things that I do like about Nairobi mousse, is that it dries pretty fast, and just, yeah, it gives you like a really good hold. As you can see, I'm just allowing, you know, like the blow dryer and my fingers to guide the hair to be exactly how I would like it to be. So now I'm just going in with my hot comb, and I am going to mold the hair once again, with no product. I usually do use product in the front. I use like a slick stick sometimes to mold the hair down, but I wanted to go in without anything at first and just begin to mold the hair how I would like it to be. So now we're going to get into the actual styling portion. I'm just going in the back and pinning the wig down so that it's down as if it was actually on a client's head, so that I can know exactly how everything is going to look. So yeah, I'm just using my T-pins, pinning it down so that everything is more secure. And then we're going to go in and start styling. So now that our styling portion is over, we're just going to go in and add the edges to the closure unit. This part is optional. You can leave the hairline looking natural without any edges, but if you want like a more baby hair look, then you can follow this step as well. So I'm just going in and I'm parting in like a little bit of hair out of the closure. You don't have to do a lot. And then I'm taking my scissors and I'm just doing like kind of like razoring the hair away, but with scissors instead of using a razor. If you don't have one, you can do it this exact same way. But yeah, I'm just thinning out the hair and making it a lot shorter than what it originally was.
Tell me what you say. Tell me what you say.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause
after that I did the baby hair, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to put the wig onto my mannequin head just so that I can look at it, you know, make any last adjustments if I need to. But this is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.